So, welcome students. This is the part 2 of chapter number 1 of class 6. In part 1 we have discussed about the first topic, comparing of numbers and how to number make by the given digits. In this topic, in this part or second part of chapter 1, we will taking first topic, shifting of digits. Shifting of digits is the very important topic by which you can make the different types of number by the given digits. Suppose you have 2, 3, 7, 3 digits, 2, 3, 7. Now suppose there are the cards, these are the cards. Now can you think here how many different types of number we can make by these 3 digits? Suppose you arrange these cards here. So suppose 3 will come here and 2 will come here. We will shift with 2 and 3 exchange, and 7 will be as it is. So you can see the number is formed, a new number is formed, which is the number is 327, and here number was 237. So this is called shifting of digits. This is called shifting of digits. So why we are learning this topic? Actually we are learning this topic to understand how the number changed by shifting the digits. So now you can, suppose you want to shift these numbers, so you can shift. So suppose 7 will be here and 3 will be here, 3 will come here, 7 will become here. So this will become 73. We are using this one. 7 will become here, 3 will be here, and 2 will be as it is here. So now number is become 273. So whenever you exchange the cards, you places of the digits in the number, a new number you will found. So this was the topic of shifting of digits. And how many numbers you can make by the given digits, it is depend on the number of digits. More numbers of digits, more numbers you will make. Less number of digits, suppose you take only 2 digits, 2 and 1, so you can make only 2 different types of number. But here suppose 3 digits, so you can make different types of number. So do practice how to make the number by shifting the digits. Now we will learn how 10,000 become. 10,000. So suppose 9 plus 1, you will get 10. 9 is the greatest 1 digit number and 1 is the smallest 1 digit number. When you will add, you will found smallest 2 digit number. Suppose you add 99 plus 1. 99 is the 2 digit greatest number, and when you add 1 it become 100. It become 100. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. So you can see here, by using greatest 2 digit number, how you are getting 3 digit smallest number? By just adding 1. 2 digit greatest number, adding 1, you will get smallest 3 digit number. Suppose this is 999, and when you add 1, it become 1000. So this is 3 digit greatest number. You add 1, you get 4 digit smallest number. So we have to make 10,000. So we take again 9,999, which is 4 digit greatest number, and you will found 5 digit smallest number. So you can see how 10,000 become. Our topic was that how 10,000 become. So you can understand here, by the using the greatest digit number, adding 1, you will get the smallest number. So this was the topic how 10,000 formed. Now we will, you have earlier classes, you have understand about the place value system. So let's revise place value system, because this is very important topic. Place value system. In place value system, you have to understand first places. Suppose I am writing here this one, 73,021. So this is one on which place? Ones. This is tens. This is 100. This is 1000, and this is 10,000. So greatest place is 10,000 here. So we will write the place value of 7. Place value of 7. What is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is 7 multiply. What is the place of 7? 10,000. So we will multiply by 10,000. What is the place of 3? 1000. So we will multiply by 1000. What is the place of 0? 100. So we will multiply by 100. What is the place of 2? Tens, and ones. You can see only 1. So in this manner, if you multiply the given digit with its place, then you can find the place value. 7 multiply 10,000, 70,000. 3 multiply 1000, 3000. 0 multiply 100, 0. 2 multiply 10, 20. And 1 multiply 1. So these are the places, the place value of 7, 70,000. Place value of 3, 3000. Place value of 0, 0 multiply any number, 0. 2 place value of 2, 20, because it is on tens place. So 2 tens, in other classes you say 2 tens. 2 tens means 20, and ones place, so it is only 1. So this is the place value system of the numbers. So do practice. So place value system we have understand about here. We will revise. We have revised. Now we will how to understand about the 1 lakh. 1 lakh. You can say 1 lakh. So how 1 lakh formed? So to understand about the 1 lakh, how just now we have understood about the how 10,000 formed. So what we will do? From just a smaller number of from 1 lakh is 99,999. And when you add 1, it become 1 lakh. It become 1 lakh. So how 1 lakh formed? 99,999 plus 1 becomes 1 lakh. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit greatest number, and this is the 6 digit smallest number. Now there is a question, what is 10 minus 1? Everybody know 9. What is 100 minus 1? 99. What is 10,000 minus 1? 9,999. So these type of questions you can understand by just doing the practice. Now we will understand how to read and write numbers, which you have covered in the earlier classes, but now again we will revise. Reading and writing number. To reading and writing number, first there are two types of system. First is Indian place value system, and second is international place value system. So first we will talk about the Indian place value system. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, 10,000, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh, and this is crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Clear? Suppose we writing the digits, some number. So what is the number here? You can see here the number I am writing here 2125673 So this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit number. We are learning to read or write 8 digit number. So this is the very largest number, so in the crore. So first of all you have to understand suppose you want to read this number. So what you have to do? You will not make every time the table, it is very complicated. Just for understanding the places, you have to remember the places. You have to remember these places, that how that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. And after crore, 10 crore. Arab is not in your course, but I am telling you. So you have to remember up to 10 crore. So first of all, to read the number, you have to learn how to use commas. Comma, you know, comma लगाते हैं हम. So in Indian place value system, actually these are some groups. These are some groups. Suppose this is also 10 crore. So this is also crore group. So this is the 100 groups. The group name is 100. This is 1000 group. This is lakh group, and this is crore. So after every group you make a comma. You mark a comma. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, first 3 digit from the ones place, from this side, 1, 2, 3, you will mark a comma. After this you can see 2 digit, then again you mark a comma just after 2 digit. Again you can say 1, 2, another group which is lakh group, and this is crore group. So why we use comma? To read the number very fast. How? This is 100, 1000, lakh. Okay, I am writing some big so you can see very clearly. This is same number, this is commas. Now you can see this is the 100 group, this is 1000 group, this is lakh group, and this is crore group. So how we read the number? 2, what is the group name? Crore. So we write 2 crore. What is this? Combinedly you will read 12. 12, and what is the group name? Lakh. 12 lakh. Don't write here comma. We will not write the comma in the word when we writing in the words. We write comma in the only digits. And after this 56, what is this? 1000. 56,000. And after this 732. I am writing here 732. So you can see when you use comma in the larger number, more digit numbers, then it become very easy to write the number or to read the number. So there is no need to make the table. Just for your understanding, you are learning the what will comes after lakh, what will comes after crore. So you have to just learn this one. Sequence start from here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. It should be learn you. And then you can use the whatever number is given. Suppose we have given this number. So what we do? We do first 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. Okay. Now this is 100 group, this is 1000 group, and this is lakh. So we will read 7 lakh 32,562. Simple. So and when you do the more practice again and again, okay, then you will grab the skill. This is the skill. So how much you do the questions, you will improve your skill of reading and writing numbers. Okay, now we will take another system, which is the international place value system. In international place value system, it is a little bit different because it is applicable all over the world. The international place value system, international means all over the world. So first of all, you have to understand about the numbering. First here writing international place value system. So again we will make table here. Okay. So first of all, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. This is new thing here, 100,000. After 10,000, 100,000. And 100,000 there is no lakh. There will become what is million. We will say M for million. After million, 10 million and then 100 million. And then after million it will become billion. B for billion. After billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So you can see 10 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, million, 10 million, 100 million, 1,000, 10, 100,000, million, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and ones, tens, 100. So in this system we will make the groups of 3, 3. Okay. So this is the group name of 100. This is the group name of 1,000. And this is the group name of 1, 2, 3 million. And this is the group name of billion. You can see 3, 3, 3, 3. 12 digit number we can read in the international place value system by this system. So let's take one example. So I am writing here number 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 1, 2. So first of all we will write the comma 1, 2, 3 after each 3. After each 3 you will make a comma. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't write here comma. So now you will see 100 group, 1,000, million and billion. So what is this? Combinedly you will read 234 million. 234 million. Don't say 100,000 nothing. 234. Already you have used here 100. 234 million. So 234 sorry billion. 234 billion. 210 million. And after this is 202,000 and this is 312, only 312. Don't say 100 in last, 312. So in this manner you can read the number or write the number in the international place value system. Let's take one more example. 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 2, 7, 0, 2. 3 after 3 comma this one. So only 5 billion, 673 million, 212,000 and 702. So it's very easy. If you remember this table, then it's very easy to write the number. Okay. So do practice to understand better these topics, and we will again meet in the next part 3.